so as we saw, there is a big, oh my god, why is there always stuff around? I'm always moving, yeah, whatever, get away from me. Okay, so all of this stuff in here, you can see it's open. I beat the crap out of it, and I cut it all up, and, you know, harken back to the bird carver episode. So what we need to do now is more of that. Because right now, I am not going to run coil on plug, because I don't have one. So it's going to have to be in the distributor, which means the engine's going to set up a little higher, which means I got to be able to get back up into here a little more. So all this, I think we're going to start, and we're going to bring it all up, right up to about here, and bring it all up to right about there. Enough underneath the window, windshield, which I already broke. So, yeah, we're just going to probably just go start from here and cut it all up. But then, we're just going to take this stuff, and I think what we'll do is we'll just bend and smack. Tack and whack is how they call it. Someone calls it that. I don't know who does, but I do. Yeah, see, we'll get rid of some of these sharp edges. We're going to have to think about this in here. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, we'll just take that. We'll start chopping stuff up. And we'll get there. Huh? Hey, that? Guess we're just tore it right off. I mean, it's just, it ain't nothing special. Huh? Fine. That's what you have a plasma cutter for. Alrighty, so we got all this cleaned out, or not cleaned out, but cut up. And now, well, there's a big giant support there. That's probably, yeah. But, and this is a big but, I think, if we go up in there, because you can see where there's the top of the dash, and there's that support. That's the only one like it. So, I honestly think, because we're going to be taking all of this bottom piece, and smacking it up there. Or smacking it up there. So, and then we're going to weld it straight right there. And the car's not going to get any ventilation from there. I mean, who cares? I'm just trying to seal the cabin off in case, you know, this thing that isn't currently in here, because it's over there somewhere. You know, if something happens, then I'm protected. And then I can get my fat butt out quick enough before I'm engulfed in flames. Okay, I'm not going to get engulfed in flames. Well, you really can't say never. Okay, I've been on fire before, so yeah. We're just going to cut all of it out. Yeah, so this right here is going to get whacked up into there. We're going to cut that support out. How, we don't know yet. And then, actually, I kind of have a good idea. Maybe if we cut around in here, and then we can just cut it, and then as we smack it up, then we'll just weld that back into there, and everyone will be happy. I'll be happy. I don't know. Here we go. Alright, so I cut these into 1, 2, 3 different sections, 4 different sections, because this is our little support strut thing that Well, it's a support strut. You know, it's supposed to, and, but we're getting rid of all that because we need to fit a big engine in. And realistically, it's not really all that big, but, you know, again, not coil unplug. So, what's funny is I'm probably going to do coil unplug at some point. It's just not right now. So what we're going to do now is whack, 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 whack. And then we're going to whack, whack, whack. And, well, hopefully, the plan is then we weld it up and button it up. And then we can fit an engine in here. Well, the engine already fits. And it'd probably be just fine because fitting it, you know, it wouldn't get past here. It would always hang up right, but there was a whole big thing. You know, we'd probably cut 2 inches off there. So, let's get to the whacking. We're probably going to speed this one up because I should probably also have hearing protection on my hammer. We should probably, you know, we're going to speed this up because I should probably have hearing protection in it. But woo! Probably could have cleaned the upper part, you know, the welding surface. Did I though? What do you think? All right, I think we're going to end it off there. You know, there's a long way to go. As you can see, I still got that whole side I got to do. I got to do underneath there. We can see there. See, there's my wonderful strut. We're going to have to fix all that because we can. And obviously with sheet metal this thin, you just have to, yeah, you have to just little bit at each time you can see. And then I'm getting up into the window sealing, the windows and everything like that. I mean, that windshield's gone anyway, so... well, we're going to have to get one of those good old-fashioned replacements. So, that will do it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, let's get some of this stuff rolling, right? Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in. Love you guys as always, and we'll see you in the next video.